Our answer, I told you, we are terminate you already. I have time when I send the letter to you. We terminate you first, and then after that, like around half an hour, you will post after me. You not resign. I kick you out, you know. You are not quality enough. You never beautiful from inside. Even she warning me, if I say something to the social, she will sue me. Coming to sue me, please. Coming now. Coming, please. Coming to Thailand. Nothing for charity. But when you went to Czech Republic to crown Miss Grand Czech, you said 1,000. It's not her standard. We must more blah 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 blah. Oh, she thinks she's so famous. She thinks she's very popular. You know. If we don't do anything, maybe no country to invite you, Rachel. But they accept because of MGI organization. Me and Teresa always keep talking with the national director. It's very difficult to find anything to you because you're not the real person, one that you spoke to me in the interview room. When come back from Czech Republic, you complain a lot, and you complain my organization. And you complain like asking money too low for you. How high you want? And then after that, she make a problem. A lot. Send a lot of message to Teresa to email everything. I will sharing all the message to you, okay? Maybe tomorrow I will attach all the document that she sent it to me. Send it to our organization. In Miss Grand International, another platform. Let everybody look what she said, what she write, what she want, what kind of the word. She's feeling of she feeling like a boss. She order me, she order Teresa, she order everybody. Oh my God! They were coming to work with us. They should pay tax. And she complained, she want to get it all, she don't want to pay tax. The tax 15%, please plus more, and then company pay, organization pay. What? Yeah, she talking like this, so that's why last time when she came to Thailand, she didn't get the money back with her. If she get cash, she can get now, immediately. Nikki, you always behind all the problem. Nikki, National Director of Miss Universe last year. For you, believe me.
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating pinakabagong video. Ang inyo pong napanood mga kapolitika ay ang pagpapalabas ng nararamdaman ngayon ni Mr. Nawat matapos dito na kung saan ay sinasabi ni Miss India na siya di umano ay nag-resign dito sa Miss Grand International, where in fact ay napadala na siya in the first place ni Mr. Nawat ng termination letter dito sa kanyang contract, and then after that is nag-post siya ng resignation na official statement niya dito sa kanyang social media account. At ito yung ating pag-uusapan dahil the drama continues nga dito sa Miss Grand International. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At tila ba isang teleserye itong pinapanood at inaabangan ngayon ng mga netizen dito sa mundo ng social media, itong malaking balita ngayon dito sa mundo ng beauty pageant na kung saan ay pinatalsik ng Miss Grand International itong kailang winner sa Miss Grand International 2024 na si Rachel Gupta. So ito mga kapolitika ay sinusundan natin yung mga balitang ito dahil ito ay bilang suporta rin dito sa ating kandidata na si CJ Opiasa. So ngayon is nagbigay na po ng kanyang official na kung saan is nag-live itong si Mr. Nawat prior doon sa after nung naglabas sila ng official statement na hindi di umano nagampanan ni Rachel yung kanyang duties and responsibilities dito sa Miss Grand International. So here comes is napalive itong si Mr. Nawat dito sa kanyang TikTok na kung saan ay sinabi niya na napaka-demanding daw itong si Rachel dito sa Miss Grand Organization. So, antayin lang po natin yung kanyang race back rin dito sa mga sinabi ni Mr. Nawat dahil hindi naman pwede na isang side lang yung ating papakinggan. At sa kabilang panig naman po mga kapolitika ay binati po ng mga kasamahan ni CJ Opiasa kasi kung inyong matatandaan last year, di ba, nakita nyo na mas niyakap ng mga kandidata itong si CJ Opiasa kumpara dito kay Rachel kasi ang sinasabi merong mga usap-usapan na kung saan ay marami ang nakapansin dito sa behavior ni Miss India. So ngayon ay masasabi natin na parang totoo ito kasi itong di ba si Miss France dati ay pinagtanggol ni Mr. Nawat itong si Rachel, pero here comes na hindi na talaga matiis ng organization ang treatment ni Rachel dito sa mga boss ng Miss Grand Organization until such time na talagang pinatalsik na siya dito sa pamunuan. So mga kapolitika, ito ang maging reaksyon ko dito ay siguro hindi na natin dagdagan pa yung burden ni Miss India. Ang importante ngayon is nakikiselebrate tayo dito sa corona ni CJ Opiasa na kung saan ay kompleto na yung Big Six crown ng ating bansa para sa mga major beauty contest. At siguro kahit ganun pa man ang nangyari mga kapolitika na hindi naging magandang ugnayan ni Miss India dito sa Miss Grand Organization ay sana itigil na po yung gulo dahil hindi po nakaganda sa image ng kailang beauty pageant or ng kailang beauty pageant competition, most especially na sila ay isa sa mga sikat rin po talaga na beauty contest. Okay? At dito naman kay Mr. Nawat, siguro ay pag-usapan lang nila na magkaroon ng graceful exit itong si Miss India kasi ang sabi niya ay bibigyan niya naman yung kinita ni Miss Grand International 2024 na si Rachel Gupta. Okay? So mga kapolitika, yun po, at ano po ang inyong maging reaksyon dito sa sinabi ni Mr. Nawat? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.